In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blank table in Jotform tables. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to manage and organize your data efficiently. Whether you're new to Jotform or simply looking to enhance your usage of its features, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to create a clean canvas for your data needs. First, you'll need to navigate to jotform.com and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, find yourself on the main dashboard, which is where all your form and table projects will be located. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, you'll notice a Create button. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to starting a wide array of projects within Jotform. Once you've clicked Create, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Table. This option will set you on the path to crafting a new table from scratch and provide you with a versatile tool for data management. Upon selecting table, you'll be prompted with several options for starting your table. You'll want to click on Start from Scratch. This option allows you to build a table without any preset columns or templates, giving you ultimate control and flexibility over the design and structure to suit your particular needs. Now that your blank table is created, it's time to customize it by adding columns and rows. You can do this by clicking the Add button that appears when you hover near the top of the table for columns or the side for rows. Think about what kind of data you'll be inputting and plan your columns accordingly. Common columns might include names, dates, and numerical data fields, but the possibilities are nearly endless with Jotform's versatility. Finally, customize the table to your liking by adjusting the width of your columns, changing header names, and even adding formulas if needed. Jotform Tables offers a wide array of tools and settings to ensure your table looks and functions exactly how you need it. It's important to spend some time exploring these features to take full advantage of the customization options available. Thanks to its user-friendly interface, working with Jotform Tables is a seamless experience that empowers you to organize and manage your data effectively. Now that you know how to create a blank table, you can apply these skills to various projects, ensuring that your data is not only organized but also easily accessible for any future needs. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to start experimenting with your own tables in Jotform. Happy table making!